In this video, I'm going to show you how to play with bonus money in OneXBet. The procedure will be very simple. First, you are going to come on your menu here. Before continuing the video, I will invite you to create a OneXBet professional account by coming and clicking here to registration. Now, you will come and click right down here to by email, which will be the full inscription. You will come right up to your promotional code BOTV, whereby entering this promotional code, you will get 300% of bonuses at your first deposit, meaning that if you put an amount of $10, you will receive $30. Continue the video. So you have to reassure that if you have made your first deposit of account with your promo code by clicking on your electronic purse, you will see that at the level of main account, just write down by doing that option, you will see the bonus account. By using now that bonus account so as to make it for your main account, then you are going to reclaim now your bonus or activate them. Thereby coming at the level, for example, of casino, you can see that at the level of promo, you are going to click on it so as to reclaim it by clicking on bonus for games. If you are having now that amount, you are going to put it, and you can see the available bonuses or free spins whereby you have been playing, which are, or to make it simple, the free games that you have been playing. By continuing to doing so as to apply or to have a lot of money or to gain it again more. So by coming now at the level of popular so as to bet on your matches. For example, by taking this match, by putting your bet, by clicking on double chance 1x and clicking on add to bet slip, or even bet normally by putting a considerable amount of money where you know that you will win and now bet, and it is as simple as that.